Okay, we're a global technology company. We're creating innovative solutions for the SMB segment. We're very focused on the small packages. We're very focused on the express segment of the industry.
So tell me a little bit more about what benefits it provides.
Well, a couple of years back we realized most of the technology development in this particular domain is focused on the large volume, the major customers, the big warehouses. And we've been looking at different ways to say there is this growing spectrum of small shippers who are gradually picking up niche solutions, niche segments, and are generating volumes. Unfortunately, these guys don't have access to that kind of technology. So the intent was, how do we create cost-effective solutions for the small shippers? And that's what brought us into business.
So cost-effective, a really key phrase. So how does that work and who have you brought together for this?
Okay, so our technology is Bedal, which is our dimensional platform. We manufacture this product ourselves. We're based in the UK, the product manufacturing happens in Korea. Bedal, as a platform, provides you the length, width, height, and weight of a particular package. But when this data is used in different applications, that's what starts helping different customers. We're demonstrating 4 applications at Expo. The first one is a mobile platform where Bedal is unloaded onto a trolley, and that trolley is doing picking and shipping. The other one is we've integrated with OCR. We use Lockheed Martin technology for that, and this has been used in the post office retail counter levels. So retail counters, traditionally people go up and stand on the queue and you've got to weigh, package, etc. This just automates the whole process. The third application we've introduced is an SMB application where we've integrated a multi-carrier dimensioning capability solution, and I'll give you a bit of a demonstration on that. And finally, return logistics. Now this is another growing domain for us, and we're seeing a huge need for return logistics solutions where dimensions are important and image capture of what's been sent back is also important. So Bedal fits into these 4 different applications, and that's what creates our business ecosystem.
Now it's true that a lot of the time these systems aren't useful systems unless there's good software behind them. So tell me a little bit more about ParcelRate.
Okay, ParcelRate was launched today, and ParcelRate has got a couple of partners who've got a lot of experience in this segment behind it. ParcelRate was launched in about 14 different European countries, and I'll give you a quick demonstration on that. The idea is a customer simply looks at his screen and he can see how many shipments has he made in the last couple of days, right from 30 days, 7 days, whatever. The kind of carriers they've selected over the period of time, and what kind of his or his euro value spend's been over the last couple of days. It also gives him a fair amount of reporting in terms of the number of packages he's shipping on a daily basis. The order to booking mechanism is quite simple. You simply go down to new packages. We can generate a barcode. You can pretty much download your entire database of ship to. Select where you're shipping the package, provide some shipping reference. This could be your pro forma invoice or your invoice number. For customs purposes, what are you shipping and what is the value of your shipment? And finally, when do you want your package to be picked up? Based on that information, you're then asked to provide the dimensions. Traditionally, without this product, the dimensions are manually captured. There's no way for you to know whether you've captured the right measurements of your package, and you always carry the risk of a surcharge. Through Bedal, we made it easy. Place your package on. Within a few seconds, Bedal captures the dimensions, and on your screen you have the height, length, width, and weight of the package. It took you no more than 3 seconds to provide that data. Upon hitting continue, our APIs then go on the back end. This is where we work with a company called LetMeShip, based out of Germany, and they provide you a range of carriers that are available to ship your package. Depending on what the business rules you set up, you can select either the cheapest carrier or the fastest carrier. Simply select buy this service, and your booking is completed. At this stage, all you need to do is go back into your shipment, look at your label, and there's your label. Means you've now got a totally compliant label ready to be placed on the box, and off you go.
You mentioned that this system, the company is aimed at smaller organizations. Just give me a bit more detail about the type of users we're talking about.
A small user for us is anybody who sends out about 20, 30 parcels a week. Now this could be an eBay power reseller. this could be a small e-commerce company, this could be just any organization that's shipping packages. Now these guys have got, or these clients have got a level of bargaining power to negotiate rates. What we've done is we've had nationally agreed negotiated rates, and we're passing these aggressive negotiated rates to these customers. So this allows them to remain competitive in the e-commerce space.
And tell me, you come to this event, you're familiar with Post Expo, this is a new organization here. Why is this an important event to be at?
We were looking for a launch pad, and I think about 6 months back we decided Post Expo would be our launch pad. I personally have been involved with this exhibition for the last 10 years, having been employed by some major brands myself. And I think in terms of clientele, in terms of who the people need, who do we need, who's our clientele, this is the right place for us.